Hi, I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I have a really exciting section. I'm going to talk about face shapes today, and I'm going to talk about heart-shaped faces and what hairstyle would suit you better if you have a heart-shaped face. This is something that I did in the salon regularly and happens in salons globally. The idea is that we look at your face shape and choose the best possible hairstyle for you based on the shape of your face. So how are we going to do that today? So today I've got 4 wigs that I'm going to talk to you about and show you a celebrity that they would suit better. And that is a great tool to be able to look at celebrities or people in the public eye that are relatable to us and look at a hairstyle that they have had, and that may help you when choosing your next style. But for now, let's get into it. So this gorgeous style next to me is Alexandra. Alexandra is in the Alexander Couture collection, and this is a long hairstyle with full bangs. So first, who is my celebrity of choice? Well, I'm going to say Reese Witherspoon for this. Reese Witherspoon has had so many different hairstyles and suits so much, and a heart-shaped face is probably one of the best face shapes to suit a multitude of different styles. So for the first one, we're going to talk about Alexandra. And like Reese Witherspoon, with the fuller bangs when she wears that, we've got the bit of movement in there, the bit of wave, the bit of curl, a nice swing, nice bounce. We have a lace front and a lace part and adjustable straps in at the nape. So let's put Alexandra to a side for now. And I'm gonna go into another lady who is an absolute chameleon from hairstyles, Scarlett Johansson. So this hairstyle here is Bethany, again in the Alexander Couture collection. So I'm going to pop Bethany on here. Now Bethany is one of those hairstyles that can be worn by lots of different ladies from lots of different age demographics and looks great on lots of different people. So you may have noticed some of the older ladies have worn hairstyles like this, Glenn Close, Emma Thompson, but also the younger ones as well, Pink and Scarlett Johansson. Scarlett Johansson has that gorgeous, like lovely heart-shaped face, and when she wore her hair shorter, she wore it like this, off her face, like Bethany is. So for our second wig choice for a heart-shaped face, we're going to go with Scarlett Johansson wearing Bethany, off the face, short, trendy, beautiful. Let's have a quick look at the cap constructions on Bethany's. She's a lace front and machine made. So the lace front allows you to wear that hair off your face and it looks very natural growing out the forehead, but the machine made aspect of the cap gives you that natural body. And again, we have the adjustable straps in at the nape. So my next hairstyle is one of our best, tried and true, everyone loves her. This is Sky. Okay, so first, Sky has just come out the box and onto the table. I'm just going to give her a little brush with the wire brush to get her alive. We can see all those amazing layers in Sky just to kick off with. Ready to wear. Beautiful, beautiful hairstyle. Let me just pop her on. So, just combing Sky into shape here. Looks absolutely awesome. Now, my celebrity of choice with this one, again, another lady who is an absolute chameleon, Meg Ryan. Meg Ryan is a great choice. Meg Ryan has had lots of different hairstyles, from shorter to longer, and again, that classic heart-shaped face allows the person, the wearer, to wear so many different styles. It's very, very versatile, is the heart-shaped face. And I think Sky is a great choice because Meg Ryan has worn her hair like this very, very often, you know, that choppy, lovely, kind of floaty style, but still has that softness in at the nape, still has those softer layers which are kicking out, which look great, and the lovely long fringe, which allows, or bangs if you like, which allows it to keep very, very soft, also framing the face with how that accentuates to that side there. So that one is Sky, and let's have a look at the cap construction of Sky. Again, a machine-made cap, loads of body, loads of bounce. We've got these amazing ties which allow you to tighten the wig or slacken the wig to suit yourself. This colour's Midnight Pearl as well. And how amazing is that? I mean, I'm quite taken by the name, just alone, Midnight Pearl, you know. But yeah, isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So that's Sky, and my celebrity inspiring look was Meg Ryan, because she's worn this style before. So let me go to my final style. A little look. So this is Zara in the colour Moonstone, and my celebrity of choice for this is Jennifer Lawrence. Again, Jennifer Lawrence wore many different hairstyles. I think looks great with it longer and shorter, but I did really like Jennifer Lawrence's when she had that lob, which stands for a long bob, with that little bit of curl pattern. Beautiful hairstyle for a beautiful lady. And I think this looks great. And Zara has been very successful in the Alexander Couture collection. It's done extremely well, and it's been worn by many different ladies, but really does suit a heart-shaped face. So yeah, looks great, looks gorgeous. Let's have a look at the cap. So the cap of Zara is a lace front with a lace part, so you get that lovely flatness up top, keeping it really natural and nice and flat, which is good because for a hairstyle like this you don't want it too big everywhere. It's nice and flat here, with the curl pattern starting from around about here, keeps it very fashionable and trendy. Again, adjustable straps in at the nape. So this one was Zara in Moonstone for our heart-shaped face, and our celebrity of choice was Jennifer Lawrence on that one. So I'm just going to put the wigs out of shot. I hope you've enjoyed this section, and I hope you found this informative when you're choosing your next hairstyle. I tend to find when working in a salon or working in a wig shop or working with clients, whatever it may be, having the common ground to be able to talk to about a celebrity or somebody in the public eye really allows you to use that as a tool to select your next style. So I hope that's helped. But for now, from me, Alexander, and all of us here at René of Paris, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on social media. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.